Hi friends, this video shows how to enable auto call recording for all numbers. Open this phone app, tap on phone app icon, tap on recents tab, tap on these three dots, go to settings, tap on record calls. Here first let me enable auto call recording, tap here, done. Then tap on auto record calls. Here you can see three options. Select this first option, all calls. So that way we can record a call from all numbers. So if you want to record calls from only unserved numbers, you can select this second option. You can select this third option, calls with specific numbers. If you want to record calls from specific numbers, those specific numbers you can specify here. Tap on number to auto record. You can manually add number here or tap on contacts, and from here also you can select the numbers. Okay, let me go back. Select this first option, all calls. So this way we can record calls from all numbers. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.